Hey everyone! In this video, we're revealing the best backpack leaf blowers on Amazon, ranked from number 5 up to our ultimate number 1 pick. Some of these blowers have features that might completely surprise you, and a few are outright game changers for anyone looking for power and performance. We've organized this countdown so you can see which blowers rise above the rest and which ones might not live up to the hype. Stick around. Our number 1 pick is a total standout, and it might just change the way you think about leaf blowers entirely. If you love discovering top products in a clear, ranked list, hit subscribe and drop a comment predicting which blower will take the crown. Don't forget to check the links in the description to see all the best backpack leaf blowers featured in this video. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Echo PB580T, a blower that earns its spot among the best backpack leaf blowers thanks to its balance of power, durability, and user-friendly design. One of the first things you notice when you strap this 22.7-pound machine onto your back is how well the ergonomic harness distributes the weight, preventing the fatigue and shoulder strain that often comes with extended use of gas-powered blowers. The 5.82cc engine produces 510 CFM of airflow at 215 mph, which may not sound like much compared to higher-end commercial models, but in practical terms, it's strong enough to handle wet, heavy piles of leaves, pine needles, and small twigs in just a few passes. During testing on a medium-sized yard, I was able to clear areas in less than half the time it would have taken with the smaller or consumer-grade blower. Another surprise is how low the vibration feels, making it much easier to control and reducing fatigue over longer sessions. Plus, it operates at 70 decibels, meaning early morning cleanup won't disturb the neighbors nearly as much as some of the louder gas models. The main limitation is the lack of variable speed throttle, which can make precision work near delicate flower beds a bit trickier. Still, for homeowners looking for reliability, durability, and solid airflow, the PB580T ranks confidently as one of the best backpack leaf blowers in its class. Coming in at number 4 is the HTK 63cc backpack leaf blower, a machine that takes things up a notch and earns its place among the best backpack leaf blowers for users who want commercial-grade performance without paying full professional prices. The 63cc two-stroke engine delivers 665 CFM at 205 mph, giving you enough power to blow through wet, compacted leaves, heavy pine needles, or even light snow with confidence. What sets this blower apart is the ergonomic, fully padded harness and low vibration design, which make extended use much more comfortable. During my tests, I found that even after nearly an hour of continuous work, shoulder and back strain were minimal. Features like the air purge system and cruise control are subtle but extremely helpful. The air purge guarantees fast, reliable starts every time, while cruise control locks in your airflow for long stretches, reducing hand fatigue. The 1.7-liter fuel tank means fewer interruptions for refueling, which is especially useful when you're clearing larger properties. On the downside, it weighs 21 pounds, which is heavier than some entry-level models, and as a gas-powered blower, it requires standard maintenance and proper fuel mixing. But for anyone seeking a powerful, comfortable, and efficient option, the HTK 63cc remains one of the best backpack leaf blowers in this range, delivering both high performance and real-world usability. At number 3, the Getell GB657 Pro earns its spot among the best backpack leaf blowers thanks to its blend of professional-grade power, versatile controls, and user-focused comfort features. Its 63cc engine produces 665 CFM at 205 mph, giving it similar raw power to the HTK, but what sets it apart is the Smart Flow technology, which lets you adjust airflow depending on your task. In practice, this means you can gently blow leaves around delicate flower beds or switch to full-force power for dense debris piles, all without changing machines or attachments. The blower's premium backpack design with ventilated straps and vibration reduction make it comfortable for long sessions, while the adjustable tube length allows precise targeting of debris in tight corners, under shrubs, or along fences. Maintenance is also straightforward thanks to tool-free access panels and a dedicated maintenance kit, which helps keep the blower running reliably season after season. The only caveats are a slight learning curve from managing airflow adjustments and cruise control, and casual users might find its power excessive for smaller properties. Still, for anyone who wants precision, comfort, and reliability in one unit, the GB657 Pro is undeniably one of the best backpack leaf blowers you can buy today. Runner-up at number 2 is the ZeStarDair 63, which stands out among the best backpack leaf blowers for its versatility, adjustability, and fuel efficiency. Its two-stroke engine with a 1.8-liter fuel tank gives roughly an hour of continuous use, which is ideal for mid-sized properties. One of the features I immediately appreciated during real-world use was the adjustable shoulder strap and well-balanced harness, which allows you to slightly shift the weight while working, reducing fatigue during longer cleanup sessions. The adjustable speed control is particularly useful for multitasking. It allows you to switch from delicate garden work to full-power leaf clearing, snow blowing, or even light debris removal. The pull-cord start system is smooth and intuitive, and during testing, it cleared wet leaves and debris efficiently without struggling. Downsides include the noise level at 101 decibels, which is higher than premium models, and the hardness, while adjustable, is not as cushioned as top-tier options like Echo or Husqvarna. Still, for homeowners or semi-professional users seeking versatility, power, and reliability, the ZeStarDair 63 ranks high among the best backpack leaf blowers. Finally, the number 1 spot goes to the Husqvarna 360 BT, widely regarded as one of the best backpack leaf blowers for professionals and serious homeowners who demand maximum power, comfort, and durability. Its 65.6cc X-Torque 2-cycle engine produces an astonishing 890 CFM at 232 mph, allowing it to tackle dense leaf piles, pine needles, and light debris with unmatched efficiency. What makes this blower exceptional is its ergonomic design. The load-reducing harness and offset handle ensure proper weight distribution, reducing arm fatigue and preventing the blower from pulling downward during extended use. The X-Torque engine also increases fuel efficiency by 20% and reduces emissions by 60%, meaning you're getting top-tier performance without excessive fuel costs or environmental impact. At 60 decibels, it's quiet for its class, and the air purge system ensures easy, reliable starts every time. For large yards or commercial properties, the Husqvarna 360 BT is unmatched, earning its spot as the best backpack leaf blower on the market for anyone who wants power, comfort, and professional-grade reliability. It's overkill for tiny yards, but if you need a machine that can handle almost any cleanup task quickly and comfortably, this is the one to choose. And that wraps up our countdown of the best backpack leaf blowers available on Amazon. From number 5 to our game-changing number 1 pick, each blower has its own strengths, and now you can clearly see which one matches your needs. If one of these blew you away, or if you have a favorite that didn't make the list, drop a comment and let us know. Don't forget to check the product links in the description if you want to grab any of the best backpack leaf blowers for yourself. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss our next countdown of top tools and gear, and hit the bell to get notified whenever we share new product insights and rankings.